Welcome to Case Study Series in Service Management Case Study by Skilled MBA. Hyundai Motor Group's transformation from a fast follower to a game changer in the automotive industry is a testament to strategic service management. By leveraging innovative practices and focusing on customer-centric services, Hyundai has significantly enhanced its global presence and sales volume. This evolution underscores the importance of adaptability and forward thinking in maintaining competitive advantage. Hyundai Motor Group achieved the third global rank in sales volume in 2022, marking over 40 years of automotive evolution. This transformation is driven by 5 innovation pillars, focusing on technological advancements, sustainability, and customer-centric solutions, positioning Hyundai as a leader in the global automotive industry. Wee-Sun Chung, as Executive Chair, is pivotal in steering strategic reinvention. His vision extends beyond traditional car manufacturing, emphasizing smart mobility innovation. Under his future-focused leadership, the company is poised to redefine its role in the evolving automotive landscape, aligning with a service-oriented vision and becoming a leader in the mobility ecosystem. The transformation journey began with a fast follower era, emphasizing manufacturing. A strategic pivot shifted focus towards a service-oriented vision, positioning the company as a game changer. This evolution led to leadership in the mobility ecosystem, redefining industry standards and setting the stage for future innovations in smart mobility solutions. The IONIQ 5 stands out with its award-winning design and advanced battery technology, enhancing customer experience. Meanwhile, the Kia EV6 focuses on performance, offering rapid charging capabilities that disrupt global markets. Both models exemplify electrification leadership, setting new standards in the automotive industry. Hydrogen innovation offers long-range solutions, addressing battery limitations in heavy transport. This commercial focus enhances efficiency in sectors like trucking and shipping. Significant ecosystem investment is crucial, encompassing production and infrastructure development to support widespread adoption and integration of hydrogen technologies. Boston Dynamics acquisition enhances strategic integration of advanced robotics in manufacturing. Automation and smart factory applications redefine efficiency, extending mobility beyond traditional vehicles. This service innovation fosters new customer interactions, revolutionizing industry standards. Connected vehicles are revolutionizing mobility with an always-on services ecosystem. Data intelligence provides customer insights, driving innovation and enhancing user experience. Cloud integration supports scalable platform development, enabling personalized mobility journeys. This digital transformation is pivotal in creating seamless, intelligent transportation solutions. Advanced air mobility is revolutionizing transport, with the Urban Air Mobility Division leading the charge. Electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, are central to this innovation. Infrastructure planning focuses on vertiports and urban integration, paving the way for a commercial launch aimed at near-future deployment. Mobility as a service is transforming transportation by shifting from traditional ownership to flexible subscription models. On-demand services offer usage-based access, enhancing convenience. Ecosystem integration provides comprehensive mobility solutions, streamlining urban travel. This evolution supports a seamless, user-centric experience, aligning with modern consumer expectations and technological advancements. Global brands are shifting from value-driven to innovation leaders by adopting premium positioning and experience-focused retail strategies. Emphasizing digital-first engagement and sustainability messaging, these brands aim to enhance customer experiences and align with modern consumer values. This evolution reflects a broader trend towards integrating advanced technologies and sustainable practices in brand development. The competitive landscape in the automotive industry is rapidly evolving. Electric vehicle, EV innovation is at the forefront, challenging traditional automakers. Mobility services are reshaping consumer expectations, emphasizing convenience and sustainability. Traditional auto companies must adapt to these changes, focusing on technological advancements and strategic partnerships to remain competitive in this dynamic market. Legacy companies face strategic challenges in transitioning from traditional operations to platform-based models, requiring a shift in both operations and mindset. Culture transformation is crucial, moving from a manufacturing focus to prioritizing innovation. Building trust is essential, ensuring safety and reliability in new technologies to maintain consumer confidence and drive adoption. Legacy companies must embrace strategic reinvention to thrive. This involves shifting operations from traditional manufacturing to service excellence, fostering a culture of innovation. By leveraging technology, these companies can build a competitive advantage, ensuring they remain relevant and successful in a rapidly evolving market landscape. Thank you, and contacting Skilled MBA is straightforward. Reach out via mobile at +91 87553000795 or email support@skilledmba.com. For more information, visit their website at https://skilledmba.com. Skilled MBA offers resources and support for strategic reinvention, operational shifts, and innovation leadership, helping legacy companies pivot and build competitive advantages through technology.